What is up, Cravers and Seasoning Gang? It's a sad day in the Cravers house. We lost my uncle, the person who started me to barbecuing in the first place, the person that bought me my very first grill, the person that taught me how to drive, taught me everything just about that I know. He was my father figure. It's gonna be a sad day, Cravers. Don't really have any recipes today. I'm just grilling in honor of my uncle. Just got a few chicken wings on here, some beef burgers and some turkey burgers for the family. Just wanted to cook them something to eat. I just had a message for most of you out there in the YouTube world. Like, a lot of times we get so caught up in YouTube until we forget about our families and other things. And also I want to say thanks for those 40 subscribers that I received in 1 week. That's a blessing. But most of all, I just want to say, just start spending time with your loved ones. If you got somebody that you're into it with, fighting with, make it right. You don't have to be around that person all the time or anything like that. Just let them know that you love them, if it's family member or a friend that you thought was really a friend. My uncle was near and dear to me. He meant everything to me. That was my mom's brother. They were the last 2 babies in the house. The last message that I have for you is, we concentrate on the bad things so much until we don't realize that we have beautiful things going on in our lives every day. There are no bad days, whether you know it or not. You can think that it's a bad day every day because, hey, the Heavenly Father gives us a whole chocolate chip cookie. And if one chocolate chip falls out, we're going to be concentrating on that one chocolate chip that fell out of the cookie. I'm talking that way because we're on a cooking channel. Maybe you'll understand me a little better. Stop concentrating on that one chocolate chip and start concentrating on that whole cookie that you already have. Be grateful for what you already have. Don't worry about what other people have and what they're doing. Just be grateful for what you have and what you're doing. Be grateful for your family. That's the greatest riches, the most greatest riches that you can ever have in your life. This is Cravers with Carlos signing out. God bless.